Hi, everyone, and welcome to day 110 of the Feathered Quest. Our bird of the day today is the cave swallow. Cave swallows use saliva to glue their mud nests to vertical walls and ceilings of caves and other man-made structures, an adaptation that allows them to breed in places few other birds can use. Let's go find that daily feather. Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?
New lifer.